Soft, cakey, chewy. Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, Simply Wendy. It is officially fall, and when I think of fall baking, two things come to mind: cinnamon and pumpkin. So follow along with me as we make these delicious pumpkin spice cookies. First thing we're gonna do is we're gonna add 1.5 sticks of softened butter.
Salted or unsalted?
Unsalted butter, I think I said that.
Yep.
I didn't say that? Oh, unsalted butter. Next we're going to add 1 cup of packed brown sugar and 3/4 cup of regular granulated sugar. And we're going to mix this around. We're going to mix this at medium speed so that the butter and both the sugars blend together thoroughly. We're going to add 1 large egg, 2 teaspoons of maple syrup, and 1.5 teaspoons of pure vanilla. We're going to mix our egg, the vanilla, and the maple syrup until everything is combined. And that looks pretty good right there. Now that we've mixed our wet ingredients, it's time to add the dry. Although I lied. We still need to add our pumpkin. We're gonna add our pumpkin. This is 1.5 cups of pumpkin puree. Don't confuse that with the pumpkin that you can get at the store that already has the spices in it. This is just pure pumpkin. So we have 1.5 cups of this, pure pumpkin. Three cups of all-purpose flour. 1.5 teaspoons of baking powder and 1 teaspoon of baking soda. I've just added these together. Next, we're going to add 1/4 teaspoon of ginger, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1.5 teaspoons of ground ginger. And what I have here, this is pumpkin pie spice. I make my own, and I'm gonna show you what you can add to make your own pumpkin pie spice so you don't have to pay a lot of money to get it at the store. And it's right there. All right, so this is 2 teaspoons. There are exactly 2 teaspoons of my pumpkin pie spice in here. We're gonna add that. And if there's a little bit more, oh well. Our dry ingredients to our wet ingredients, we want to just mix it until it's combined. Don't want to over mix. So I'm just gonna scrape down the sides of the bowl. Make sure everything has been combined the way it should. And this is looking lovely. This is looking really good. And I'm gonna add a little secret ingredient to this. And the secret ingredient to these delicious pumpkin cookies is chocolate chips. Because why not? Why not chocolate chips, I say? Chocolate chips makes everything so much better. So we're just gonna stir this around. And then once I get these chocolate chips incorporated, we're gonna scoop our dough onto our baking sheet. I have my large cookie scoop here. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take my cookie scoop, slide it up the side of the bowl, and there, right onto the cookie sheet. All right, so we have our 9 cookies on our cookie sheet. We're gonna bake these cookies at 350 for about 14 to 15 minutes. Personally, I, again, go by my eyes. You want to look for a little browning around the edges and then they're done because these are gonna be a very soft cookie. See you in 15. I have our cookies cooling on the baking sheet. I'm just about to get my next batch in the oven, but I wanted to show you. Look at the bottom. This is how we want it, very slightly browned. And it's very cakey. It's a very cakey cookie. Can't wait to try these. Welcome back. So I've decided to take it even one step further. And what I've done is I've combined 1 cup of powdered sugar, 1.5 tablespoons of milk, and about a half teaspoon of maple extract, or you could use syrup if you want to do that. And what we're going to do, or what I want to do, is I want to dip some of these cookies into this mixture. Get this out of here. Put that over here. So we're just going to take our cookie and we're just going to dip the top in like that. Lift it up, let the excess fall off, and voila. Delicious pumpkin spice cookies. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Leave a comment in the comments section below and share this video with your friends. I've added a link to the recipe in the description below. See you next time on Simply Wendy Live, Love, Bake.